anything, we're going to see tech weigh on the markets today. If we go down, tech is probably going to lead the way due to earnings and forward guidance going on from, this China stuff. Brexit is trying to be kicked down the road. I don't know if anything's going to come of it right now, but let's see. We are pretty darn clean after. I'm glad we stopped out of NVIDIA when we did, because that fell out of bed for sure. That thing's back down, traded in the 191 handle, if I'm not mistaken. 192 quarter, sorry. But let's see. This is all about earnings, and remember, the market could care less about what happened last quarter. It's all about guidance and how much they think that all the stuff that's going on internationally and with us in China is going to affect their next quarter. Let's see. There's no real numbers coming out, but Trump, like I just wrote in here, Trump is going to talk about Turkey/Syria/the Kurds at 10 a.m. our time. He's already tweeted about it. Of course, it's all roses.